nation a joy forevermore. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our needs, and your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of His nation. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our needs, and your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of His nation.
My fellow Ambazonians, una happy Sunday for all una, for all our papa them, for all our mommy them, for all our brother them, for all our sister them. I want come for can salute una. I be una brother Asu. Happy Sunday for all our people them for ground zero. Happy Sunday for all our people them for ground one. Happy Sunday for all our people the way they all across the globe. For the people them for North America, for Canada, for United States of America, and for our people them for Mexico. Now morning time for this side, now 11:30 for morning time for this side. For some people they still there for church right now. I just come today for this morning time for our own side for this side. I will not say in the afternoon for our people them for ground zero and all across Central and West Africa. We will not say in the afternoon for all una. I think now almost 4:30 for that side. I don't come for can tell una thank you. Yesterday, when the leadership be called for a town hall for make all Ambazonians they come together, make all our people they come together so that they get a direct briefing and then they understand for place where they what it really happen, what it be the actions they don't carry them, diplomatic updates, defense update, make all our people they come together for can support the Bamenda takeover, for can support the forces where they don't when now they be the spear of a war of independence. Now the forces when they now they be the they be the frontline soldier them, where they take the war for urban warfare for a whole different level. And our forces them for the Bamenda Brigade. Now our forces them for Mezam. Now our generals them, our commanders them, where every single day they battle La République du Cameroon, they give Ambazonian them pride, they help we will take back control of our land, especially for the biggest city for Ambazonia. The Ambazonia Defense Forces, they be for place now because of all una, for be able for capture the city of Bamenda as the first major city where the Ambazonian people they get total control over. Now our forces, they be directly in control of the great city of Bamenda. They decide when La République, they even show their face outside and how they will take La République them out. All our brigades them, all our units them with the day around Bamenda, all our intelligence operatives them, all our people them, all our citizens of the great city of Bamenda and the great state of Mezam. The Ambazonian people, they be very generous yesterday. They be very kind yesterday. The level of commitment of Ambazonians them, where they show up for that town hall yesterday. Yesterday during that fundraising, the Ambazonian people, contribute, they make direct commitment of $10,000 for that small, for just that time, more than 20 minutes for fundraising. The Ambazonian people, they put $10,000 of commitment in terms of physical cash donations. $10,000 for give the Bamenda Brigade, for give the Mezam Brigade, for give ADF headquarters more bullets, because it been a money for bullets. For give them more bullets for battle at the République du Cameroon. So yesterday, we raised $10,000. Now we don't wake up this morning time. I get a message. I get a big message. Who woke up for this morning? A beautiful message from a beautiful family. They donate another $1,000. And he make them now $11,000. We will not raise them yesterday. So the leadership of Governing Council of Ambazonia, the leadership of Ambazonia Defense Forces, they say make a tell una thank you. They say make a tell una thank you on behalf of una forces. Make a tell una thank you on behalf of the Ambazonia Defense Forces. They be very grateful for una trust. They be very grateful for say una they give them weighty they need them, for the forces them, for deliver the independence where the Ambazonian people don't ask them. Leadership be extremely grateful. Dr. Ebacho, VP, Dr. Julius Nye, the SG of Governing Council of Ambazonia, Secretary Obadia, and the leadership of the ADF, Benedict Kwa, Sheikh Kavi, Comrade Capo Daniel, and Tapang Ivo, Comrade PK, Mawoli, all them. The talk say make a tell una thank you. Say una answer the forces their call. They say make a tell una thank you. So one tell una thank you, and one also give una the report of una work, of una commitment, of una contribution for the liberation of homeland from yesterday town hall. Now, the small messages I talk to make I can give una as organizations would be built on the principles of trust, public accountability, transparency, and responsibility for the people them. Now, una money una raise them for the forces, so una also deserve the right for know how much money be there to be come out. We thank una plenty. This money una know say na for more bullets, and una know say $11,000. It go give we an extra 5,500 AK bullets. Yes, the $11,000 una don't raise them. It go give the forces another 5,500 AK bullets, and we know say within 1 week those AK bullets they go to reach the brigade. So thank you plenty. When I get a great Sunday tomorrow, we go to get a big conversation for here. Tomorrow I get a big report where I get for deliverance for all now about La République du Cameroon, their economic bankruptcy in terms of their report from IMF, their report from World Bank. I will bring una those statements. I will bring una the report with the show una the graph. La République du Cameroon financially it don't finish. For today, however, may God bless una. Happy Sunday for all man. Make una stay fine. May una not make all man remember tomorrow for ground zero all across the territory. Just like Wamami them for Kumba, they chop fire. Our people them for Kumba, they chop fire. Tomorrow, now big ghost town for all across Ambazonia. We could get better story for tomorrow. For now, I love una plenty and I thank una get a great day. All right? Mwah!